I think every industry goes through a moment of explosion. So, if I talk about how the entire payment industry has gone through a moment of explosion with the help of UPI, or how the mutual fund industry has gone through an explosion with the help of their marketing campaign, mutual fund Sahi, and entire ecosystem coming together to simplify the SIP part of it. I think that again created a significant explosion in mutual fund as an industry. I think something similar will also happen in life insurance industry. One day, people will realize the kind of risk we all carry in our life, whether it is a risk of mortality, which is risk of dying, or risk of morbidity, which is risk of getting diseased, a risk of longevity, which is outliving your savings. I think sooner than later, customers will realize the importance of covering themselves against these three eventualities, the risk of these three eventualities. And entire industry is currently trying to build that ecosystem through which the customers will come to know about it.